Hey, welcome back everybody. Awesome to have you guys back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to consolidate all of your information to continue building upon that foundation that we've already laid out. Now we're going to build upon it. We're going to section off our topics. We're going to do it in a way that we can add information to the subtopics, add resources, things that we want to follow up on, things that we want to check out. And the whole purpose of this is just to have an organized place where everything lives that you can refer back to anytime. So again, the reason why I recommend Trello is because one, it's free. For two, it's a pretty good tool for managing projects. It's pretty user friendly. You can update it anywhere on any device, and it will sync up on your phone, laptop, tablet, whatever it is that you're using. That's a pretty versatile product. But again, you can do this with any project management tool, whatever it is that's going to allow you to organize information the best way. Use that. But in this video, we're going to use Trello. It's going to be a real quick video, so let's go ahead and dive right in. So as you can see, I've already created our board. All right. So once you come into Trello, it's going to ask you to create a board. You name it whatever you want. I've named this board American Government CLEP Exam. Here is just a blank space. We haven't added anything to this board. So what we're going to do is we're going to add those topics, right, from the last video with the big percentages and order of precedence. We're going to start adding those topics, and those are going to be our main sections. All right. So let's go ahead and do that right now. All right. So here's our institutions and policy process, presidency, bureaucracy, Congress, and the federal courts. That's our first section. Our second section, which we're going to move to the end later on, civil liberties and civil rights. Remember, we're moving this to the end because it's the lesser of the percentages, and we're going to do this in order of precedence, right? So going on to the next topic. There it is, political parties and interest groups. All right, we've added that here. All right, let's go ahead and add the next one. All right, so now we've added political beliefs and behavior, and we got one more to add, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, perfect. Constitutional underpinnings of democracy. Now we have all of our topics. Now, a really cool thing about Trello is you can move these around however you see fit. So let's go ahead and move our civil liberties to the end because we're doing this in order of precedence. All right, so it's looking pretty good. We've got all of our main topics organized. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our breakdown, and we're going to start adding all of our subtopics for each section. Pow! See, this is organization. Aren't you starting to see where I'm going with this? Aren't you starting to see how beautiful this could be, how fun this might even be, how easy this might even be, how simple this might even be? Come on, man. Rock with me. Let's go. So here, all I did was I copied and pasted the subsections for each main topic here. And now they're beautifully organized. And now my foundation, I would say, is solid. I would say it's ready to go. And now we're ready to take this and build upon this even further. So in the next section, we're going to dive into some really helpful resources, and that's going to just send your study process into overdrive. Hopefully things are starting to click a little bit more now, and you're starting to get a better idea of how to approach these exams. Thank you for sticking around this long, and we'll go into the next section ready to dive into some resources. See you then.